Hola chicos! We have yet another video to cover all of the different stem changing verbs in Espanol. So we've studied several different categories, O to U, E to IE. We're now going to cover the category E to I. Toda la información es del libro Avancemos, página 228. La meta. The goal for this video is to learn to form our E to I stem changing verbs. We will then use these verbs to order from a menu en español. Remember, unfortunately, that we do not have stem changers in present tense of English. There are, however, a number of stem changing verbs en español. Por favor, revisen página 199 y página 223 over our E to IE and O to UE verbs. So remember, all of this, we're just recycling our knowledge and applying it to another set of stem changing boot verbs. Recuerdan, we have verbs like preferir, which was an E to IE stem changer. We also studied more recently our O to UE stem changers, and we have a verb such as poder. Remember, in all of these forms, we call them boot verbs because all the changes take place in the shape that looks similar to a boot. So the nosotros and vosotros, we're going to leave that stem alone. Remember, our endings for IR verbs are going to apply in the verb preferir. And for poder, we have an ER verb. Those endings are the same, except nosotros and vosotros, we see a slight difference. Imos and is versus hemos and es. Ahora, vamos a aprender los stem changers E to I. Some IR verbs have an E to I stem change in the present tense. So, for these particular verbs, what we're going to do in order to form them is we're going to take the last E of the stem change and we're going to change it to an I. So in the verb servir, to serve, I'm going to take my E, change it to an I, and all of the shapes for the boot. My no and my vo do not go. Remember, I'm going to leave those stems alone. And since I'm working with an IR verb, my endings are o, es, e, imos, is, and en. Entonces tenemos sirvo, sirves, sirve, servimos, servis, since those are outside of the boot, no stem change, and finalmente, sirven. Un ejemplo, el camarero sirve la comida, the waiter serves the food. Since it's in the el form, el camarero, I will stem change E to I. Some other examples that we have of an E to I stem change from this current chapter is the verb pedir. Entonces tenemos, ¿pides una ensalada? Are you ordering a salad? O, siempre pedimos pollo. We always order chicken. These examples will show you that I will stem change in the boot. If it's outside of the boot, like the verb nosotros form, pedimos. No need to stem change here. Muchas gracias por su atención. Please do your Google form as practice. Adiós.